Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. So alright everyone, so what I'll be making is some honey barbecue chicken in the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dump this onto my chicken. Now this is 2 whole chicken, so the more chicken you know, it's the more season must go on your chicken in order for you to get that nice spice and flavor that you want. So now I'm gonna go in with some all-purpose Maggi season up. Now let's use the bigger part. And like I said, I don't normally measure my spices, I just throw. Normally I don't do that. Some salt. Don't add a lot of salt because all those spices have their own salt and everything. And I'm still going to go in with some of this hot and spicy jerk season. This is really good. I'm not gonna use a lot. So now more paprika. So remember, this is honey barbecue and I'm gonna do it in the oven. It's oven style, too slow for me. And a little bit of black pepper. And now there you go. Now it's time to rub up your chicken, and I'm gonna rub this up and let them stay for about 30 minutes, 30 to an hour. I am going to add some others like this. I always like to add it at the end. Doesn't matter if I blend my season up, I always love to add this at the end. So rub that up, guys. Rub it up. Rub that up, my people, with love, and put him down for like 30 minutes or to an hour. Alright, you can leave it for overnight too if you want.
So now everyone, let's take off our bag of our chicken. This is it, well seasoned. Look at that, look at the chicken. 2 whole chicken, see that? Now your juice left, do not throw away your juice. Pour it onto your chicken. Now in the oven you go. Now I'm going to coat my chicken just like this on both sides, top and bottom. And I'm going to turn him over and I'm going to coat everything, and I'm going to show you. Alright, soon come back. Now I just coat this chicken with the honey barbecue sauce, and I'm going to stuff him right back in the oven for about 10 to 15 more minutes. Alright, juicy, delicious. Look at all that nice juice. There you have it, my people. This is the end result of my honey barbecue chicken. Now your chicken's supposed to be looking like this, just like this. All that juice, all that goodness. The juiciest one, juiciest honey barbecue. Look at that. Now my people, remember, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Remember, this is from my kitchen, straight on your table. Thank you for watching.